Hey there, my name is Lisa and I'm the Education Coordinator at FCNB, the province's Financial and Consumer Services Regulator. Today, we're talking about collection agencies. Okay, it happens. Sometimes people fall behind on payments and find themselves dealing with a call from a collection agency. There are laws in place to protect the rights of creditors to collect what is owed to them. But the laws also help ensure you are treated reasonably and with respect when dealing with a collection agency. So today, let's talk about what to do if you find yourself on the receiving end of a call from a collection agency. Although it can be very stressful, I've got some tips and information to help you through the process. First, by law, a collection agency and the people who work for them as collectors must be licensed with FCNB. FCNB will only license the agencies and individuals who meet the licensing requirements set by FCNB. So if you find yourself dealing with a collection agency, make sure the agency and the person you're speaking with are licensed. And you can call FCNB to check if you're unsure. Now, let's talk payments. A collection agency can only collect what you owe and can't charge you any fees for collecting the debt. So if you can, pay the full amount you owe right away, and you won't have to deal with the collection agency anymore. But sometimes it's just not possible to do that. And in this case, you could try to work out payment arrangements with the collection agency. This might be paying the total amount at a later specified date or paying it off over a series of monthly payments. To keep things straightforward and avoid confusion, deal directly with the collection agency when setting up payment arrangements instead of the original creditor. And now that being said, if there is a mistake in your account, then you should tell the collection agency and the original creditor. Providing them with emails or receipts always helps, so remember to keep good records of all payments and correspondence. Get a receipt for any payment you make, so you have proof of your payment, for example, a canceled check from your own bank or a receipt from the agency. And although this may go without saying, it's important to never miss a payment arrangement and to have enough money in your account to cover any checks you write or automatic transfers you set up to pay back your debt. So, what about if you want a collection agency to stop calling you? While you can't stop a collection agency from contacting you completely until you've paid the amount you owe, you can ask them to only contact you in writing or through a lawyer if you have one. And you have to make this request to the agency in writing and be very clear that you want communication from them to be in writing only. Include your name, phone number or account number, and an address where you can receive mail. You can send the request by fax with a confirmation report or registered mail, so you have proof of when it was sent and that it was received. Hopefully this information will help you if you ever find yourself in a debt collection situation. Check out our other collection agency video to learn more about what collection practices are allowed and what are considered abusive and prohibited. And visit our website at fcnb.ca for more information on managing credit and dealing with debt.